Hello viewers, welcome to our Arise and Shine Learning Point channel. Today we are going to see 11th Standard Math, Chapter 1, Sets Introduction. This introduction is applicable for TNSCERT syllabus and NCERT syllabus. Now first we should know what is set. What is set? Set is well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. First we should know what is well-defined collection. Okay, the collection shouldn't change from person to person. The collection shouldn't change from person to person. Let me tell you some examples. Okay, now I call two students from my class. One of my student name is Geeta and the other girl name is Anita. Okay, now I asked Geeta to tell any 5 sports names. Geeta said hockey, football, kho-kho, tennis, and cricket. Geeta said hockey, football, kho-kho, cricket and tennis. Now I am going to ask Anita. What Anita said? She said table tennis, basketball, volleyball, then hockey, long jump, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now see their choices. See, for set we need the selection of games same from both sides. Geeta said hockey, football, kho-kho, tennis and cricket, and Anita said table tennis, basketball, volleyball, hockey and long jump. Their choices are different, so we cannot call them as a set. So it's not a set. Now I'll tell you one more example. This I'm going to keep example 1 and another example, odd natural numbers smaller than 10. The other example is C, odd natural numbers smaller than 10. Now tell me, what are natural numbers? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We called as natural numbers and it's infinite. Now in that you circle odd numbers less than 10. Here what we have a less than 10. Should not write 11, 12, 13 and all. Here read the question properly. Odd natural numbers smaller than 10. So what we have? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now I asked the same Geeta and Anita what are odd natural numbers. Okay, now Geeta said 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. What Geeta said? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Anita said the same, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, now tell me whether it is set or not. Yes, it is set, because Geeta also said the same numbers, Anita also said the same numbers. So we called this as set. It's a set. Okay. Set represents into two form. Always the set represents into two form. That is roster form or tabular form. The second one is set builder form. Before we go to this, let me recall you what are real numbers. We have studied real numbers in our lower class. See, in real numbers we have two. One is with decimal number, the other one is without decimal number. In this with decimal numbers, it classified into three. For example, first one is 1.2. Okay. The second one is, see, it's terminating. This one we called as terminating 1.12, and non-terminating as if you see the example, you will come to know. See, it's repeating 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, goes on. Then the another one is, see, after decimal the number will be changed. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. For this type of digits we called as terminating. Okay, this we called as terminating. Here we get the repeated numbers, so we call these numbers as not terminating but repeating. It is what? Non-terminating, because it is repeating. See here, it's not a terminating nor non-terminating. We call this as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, these type of numbers we called as irrational numbers, and these both we called as rational integers. This both we called as rational integers. Okay, then always for the rational, see here, P divided by Q, we will get the numbers. That's why Q is not equal to 0, where P and Q both are integers, where P and Q both are integers. Now what is integer? See, in without decimal we called as integers. See, here we have integers. For example, see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's infinite. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, here we have from after 0 we call these as positive integers, and from 1 to all the numbers we called as natural numbers. Okay, we see here from 1 to from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we called as positive integers, and it's infinite, right? Then we called as natural numbers. From 0 to infinite we called as whole numbers, and this 0 we called as zero integer, and these we called as from minus 1 to infinite we called as negative integers. Okay, these are real numbers. Understood? Hope you understood about the real numbers. Now we will write how to represent the sets. Okay, I said you before, set represents into two form. One is roster form, or we call it as tabular form. The another one is set builder form. There we have some rules to write for roster form and builder form. Shall we see? First we will see roster form. Okay, in roster form always we start with the capital. To represent the elements we will start with the capital. Okay, capital letter we should write. Your wish, you can write any letter. Okay, now for example I have 5 1 3 5 7 9, no, or natural numbers. Okay, I have written in set. These numbers we called inside the set as elements. These numbers we called inside the set as elements. These are elements of sets. And one more condition, always we should write these curly braces. Okay. And one more important thing, in tabular form should not repeat while writing. For example, if we get here 1, we should not write. Okay, now we will see the set builder form. In set builder form, also in roster form also, if you represent any element, the first letter should be capital letter, then open the bracket, X. This X is a property or definition. Okay, this X is a property, we call this as a property or definition of X element. Okay, first you should know, while writing the set you should know how we should use this X. We write as a property or definition of X element. And see, for example, what our question was, odd natural number smaller than 10. So X is odd natural number but smaller than 10. Now close the bracket. Set, first we should know some basic things, okay, and basic signs. For example, 1, if we write like this, it means belongs to. 1 belongs to A, and this we called as 2 does not, okay, does not belongs to A. Understand? If I write like this, it means 1 belongs to A. If I write like this, 2 does belongs to A. And we should know some mathematical sets. Okay, for example, sets of natural numbers. First let me write mathematical sets. Natural numbers 1 2 3 4, then it's infinite, no? So only we should, to show infinite number, we should put only 3 dots, not more than that. For example, 1 2 3, not more than that. Okay, this we called as set of natural numbers. Then for set of integers, let me tell you, represents as Q. Set of rational numbers represents as Q. because it is infinite. Okay, we cannot represent it. Vice versa, set of irrational numbers as t and set of real numbers are as r. Okay, set of irrational numbers as t and set of real numbers as r. Okay children, hope you understand well. Subscribe, like and share. Press bell icon and set it in all to get my new notifications. Thank you.